Hello, I'm Martin Dean, your health partner. You're stuck indoors and cut off from your normal health resources. Your chiropractor's not working, neither is your acupuncturist or massage therapist. Your back hurts and you want to be your best in the light of the current health emergency. So what do? Well, here's where we can do something a little different. Acupuncture is part of Chinese medicine, of which there are many, many branches. Acupressure, so that's finger pressure on acupuncture points. Cupping, diet, exercise, gua sha, moxibustion, and so on. Sure, you can pull up a bunch of videos on how to do acupressure, but many of them don't actually tell you what to do with them, or which ones are going to be best for you. Your acupuncturist, etc., has got to know which treatments work best for you, right? So, here's what you get with Martin Dean, your health partner. Appointments are arranged via video calling. What I will do at the outset is to listen to you and ask questions. This will allow me to formulate a successful treatment plan that will address your issues using my 25 years of experience as an acupuncturist and teacher. Be prepared to put in a little time each day, but it's hard to get anywhere without trying, right? You can call me from anywhere in the UK. To be clear, I'm not trying to sell a phony cure for killing the coronavirus, just a series of common sense interventions to improve your well-being. So resolve to be the best version of yourself. I'm Martin Dean, your health partner.